my kind of person, I work with power. When I look at myself, I'm like, oh my God, I'm a star. I'm supposed to be out there. I'm supposed to be a very powerful role model because I know, I know what it feels like to be like me. I know what it feels like. So I don't have, I'm not comfortable until I'm able to do all this. So I know that I have a huge role to play, not just in my life, but other people's life. And with time, it will all manifest and everything is going to shape into every great imagination that has ever occurred in my head. Your mind controls everything that revolves around you. I'm highly inspirational. I noticed that being comfortable with people, being in contact with people, believing or, you know, having this attachment doesn't work for me. A lot of people do not believe in love, while few people do. And a lot of people do not understand the word love. Love is a different word entirely. Word and world. Love is good. Love is amazing, but when it comes to attachment, this is something very hard, especially when it's time for you to like detach yourself. So I can't just wait for the world to see me. Subscribe, like, comment, share your thoughts. I mean, why not? I'm here to communicate with other people, amazing people like you. And very soon, you all will be streaming my movie. Yes.